Still snoring even after changing your diet? It might be how you sleep. Discover how to stop snoring tonight with a simple sleep position trick. Improve your breathing and wake up refreshed. #Stop snoring. Sleep tips. Snoring solution. Health tips. Sleeping on your back makes your tongue fall backward, blocking your airway. Stomach sleeping may strain your neck and chest. Sleeping on your side helps keep your airway open, especially with a pillow between your knees. Want to stop snoring for good? Try changing your sleep position tonight. Follow for more health tips.